Hi CIS 151 students. Boy, we have come a long way in the last 9 weeks. 3 more to go. We have learned a lot of commands, file management techniques, and how to create batch files. This week we will be learning about advanced batch files. Learning how to use and create advanced batch files has a programming flavor to it, especially the if statement, which performs conditional processing in a batch program based on whether or not a specified condition is true or false. This video clip will show us how to use the for, in, do command, which is activity 1127 starting on page 594 in your textbook. First thing we need to do is change your directory to your thumb drive and the WGXP directory if you have your student files stored in that directory on your thumb drive. In step 1, we key in the command string as specified. What the string says is, using the variable %a to hold each value in the set, which is what is in parentheses, do the command, which is type, to each value in the set, which is %a. Okay, nothing is returned. Here is an instance where I don't have the .abc files included in my student files. This is probably because I didn't complete an activity in an earlier chapter. So I looked in Windows Explorer, or you can use the dir command to see what extension is used on several files. I chose .cap. When I use .cap, the system returns to me the details of 3 files: state.cap, sorted.cap, and by city.cap. Then we are ready for step 2. This string is showing that we can be more specific than using the wildcards. I used a specific file, state.cap, instead of ven.abc like the book has. The command result shows the details for the state.cap file and also returns a statement that the system cannot find the file specified for nofile.ext. This is correct because there isn't a file named nofile.ext located in the student files. The script in step 3 is similar to step 2. The results are the same even if a different variable letter is used and a comma is used instead of a space. Now we are ready to do step 4. The command returns the details of state.cap and returns an error message for nofile.ext. Step 5 shows us a way to ask for the display of files that exist and will not display an error message. As you can see by the output, the details of state.cap show, and the last line says, if exists no file, type no file. In step 6, we are going to create a batch file called do.bat. Typing edit at the prompt will open the command prompt edit window. After entering the batch file information, we need to save the file by going to the file on the menu bar, exit, and when prompted, save the file with the correct file name. When you call for the do batch file, the echo command was carried out for each item in the set. In step 8, we are going to write a batch file and name it pass.bat. When we run pass.bat, we see the outcome of several combined features in the for, in, do statement. We used an environmental variable in the set, which is %users%. The percent signs surrounding the value tell the for command to use the environmental variable called users. Also, we used an if statement. If what the user keys in is in the environment, then it is a true statement, and the batch file will go to the OK label. If what the user keys in is false and not equal to the environmental variable, then the batch file falls through to the next line. In step 9, we are going to set the environmental variable and then run the pass batch file with the variable Bette, B-E-T-T-E. The batch file worked as directed because the statement was true. But when we run the pass batch file again with Denzel, D-E-N-Z-E-L, as a variable, it read the statement as false and gave a different message. This is the end of the video clip for activity 1127. We only completed steps 1 through 11 in this video clip.